Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? This fish that I'm going to introduce to you, some of you may know it, some of you may not know it. I grew up on this fish, seeing my mother used to fry it all the time, but she fried it really dry. So yes, when you're eating it, you don't need to feel for any bone or anything. Cause the way she fried dry, you just eat everything. So come on, let me introduce my fish to you guys. So this is it. Sprat fish. These are some nice sprat fish. Yes. So I'm going to fry these for you. I'm going to show you how to fry these really dry and nice. You can eat them with your bun. And you know we are approaching Easter, so yeah. So I have my assorted scotch bonnet pepper over here. I have half of a white onion, and I don't know if I'm going to use all of this carrot. I have some vinegar, some white vinegar, and you can't leave out your pimento berries. So yes guys, just sit and sip and chill with me and learn how to fry these sprat fish. Just going to season my fish with some black pepper and some salt. So right about now I'm just putting some black pepper on it. Alrighty. And because these are so small, I don't need to like season them one. So I'm just putting some salt now. Alrighty, and then I'm going to just give it a nice little stir. Just to combine the seasoning. If it want more, I'll put more. But yes, you can go ahead and season them one. It's not a problem. It will taste really nice and scrumptious just the same. Alright guys, so my oil is hot. I'm gonna drop a few garlic cloves in the pot. And my fish is all nicely seasoned. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop them in as well. Alrighty, so we're gonna just put in our fish and have that nicely fried. While my fish is frying, guys, I am just preparing my seasoning to make my pickle. I need some fresh pickle. Alright guys, so I'm removing my fish from the pot because it is well fried. And I am placing it on some paper towel to absorb the excessive oil that is on it. So this is the paper towel. Guys, feel free to remove your Scotch bonnet seed. If you can tolerate the heat, you can leave the seed, because you know that's what spices up the thing, and it is really spicy and all of that. And then pickle is normally spicy. So our fish is finished frying, and we are just plating it for you all to see the beauty of these sprat fish before we dive into them. So guys, go ahead and enjoy your sprat fish this Easter holiday, because I am sure I'm going to enjoy mine. Spicy. Honestly.